The kitchen is about 12 years old and we wanted to revamp it.
We knew of Granite Transformations and we'd seen their showroom.
We were very surprised at how much they did beyond just putting the granite on the surface.
Very, very pleased, and it didn't cost us as much as a brand new kitchen.
The service was absolutely brilliant. The people were wonderful.
Once we'd visited the showroom with Granite Transformations, we realised that they had the solution for us.
Lots of people have been in to see the kitchen and everybody has said it's got the wow factor. Couldn't fault them in any possible way.
They bought several samples for us to see. I could see that they was durable, they was workable, and I was extremely pleased with it.
I've had mine for 2 years now and I've cut on it, I've put hot things on it, I've done everything to it and I have had no problems whatsoever.
If you need a new kitchen with a good price, good service, I would definitely recommend Granite Transformations.
We would recommend them, and indeed we already have.
It's just so pleasing to have a decent product by a decent company.